Update on the 79cc customer build. Disc brakes up front. Customer mount 79cc custom exhaust, foot pegs 362, jack shaft, seat, handlebars. This is this side, foot pegs, gotta finish the bracket for it. Intake, custom intake we built. About there. Just a couple more things. Got a kickstand to make, gotta change the rear wheel, gotta do a couple other things. Okay guys, thanks.